Fabricators, manufacturers, industry partners, educators. Now is your time. You aren't in this business to survive. You're here to thrive, to conquer technology that will move our world forward, to fill the pipeline with eager, savvy recruits, to contribute to the endurance, heart, and soul of North American manufacturing. You belong to a dynamic, flourishing community, and your contribution matters. That's why FMA membership matters. As a driving force behind important research, training, student engagement, and community building, we'll push the limits of our collective success. But we can't do it alone. In the face of rapid change and thrilling possibilities, a strong network is more important than ever, because the stronger our membership, the higher we soar. To learn more about FMA or to join, visit fmanet.org.